Hello all, welcome to Java session by YouChange. Let's learn what is Java. Java is a very popular programming language that we're going to learn in this session. Why do we need Java? Java is very popular using to develop mobile application, web application, database connection, games, web app, many more, right? So what makes Java popular? So Java is open source and it's free to use. It's very fast, popular, and secure. It has high community support, which is very helpful for any programming language. It has millions of developers. It is very easy to learn. I would like to comment you down like as soon as the session gets completed, the whole tutorial, and let me know if it was easy for you to learn or not. So let's see this in action. Let's go ahead and open Eclipse. So here, this is by default, this is how it looks if you're opening your Eclipse for the first time. So let's go ahead and create the first Java project. So here you can see an option called create a project. You can either click this or you can click over here, or if you're using Mac, you can go ahead and click from file and new as well in the project. All does the same thing. Let me go ahead and click this one here, this icon, and here you can go ahead and click Java, and you're going to click Java project. Next. So you can give any name for your project. Let me give a Java test, and I'll just go ahead and hit next here. I'll just leave the things default and let it finish. Let me hit no here at the moment, and as you can see here on my left hand side, the Java test has been created. So over here in the src folder, let me go ahead and create one class. So let's create a class called test, and let's click this public static void main, and let's finish this. So as you can see here, I have created a class called test. Don't worry about like what is class, what is public static void main. This is something we'll learn later in the session. So here, as you can see here, over here, we'll just use this and write our code. So for the first code, we'll just go with system.out.println. And let me write something here. So let's write hello world. This is test Java, and every syntax will complete by semicolon in Java. So let's go ahead and run this application. So you can either right click, run as Java application. As you can see here, the code has been loaded and it has printed hello world, this is test Java in the console. So I would like you to go ahead and create a first Java project, create a class with a main method and print something. So this is something you have started coding and you have learned something in Java. Let's go ahead and print hello world, and if you have any questions over here, please feel free and comment down below.